Alright, so this was a bit of an action-packed episode this week, too. I'm just gonna kind of combine together two topics for this video since there's not really much detail to go into both of them. First, we're gonna talk about Lakyus' betrayal. I think I said that right. I had to go back to the episode to get the name. The betrayal of her own team, stabbing her and weakening her to charm her to get her to leave the capital. You know, they say in the episode, you already know why they do it. But there's just specifically a little part that they don't mention that you may be wondering why. They ask her to heal herself and why they ask her to pull out the poison needles in herself. And in the book, they specifically mention that if they pulled out the needles themselves, it'd be perceived as them giving damage to her, which would then break the charm person, and so that they need her to specifically pull out her own needles and heal herself, and they even apologize to her for having to do it. It's also mentioned in the book casually that they actually teleport away first to the inn to get all their gear and then teleport out of the capital so that they don't leave any of their stuff behind. They can go to the southern lands where they're going. It isn't ever mentioned so far where they're actually going. They just kind of have an idea that they're leaving, and so that's all we've really got so far for the books. All right, and so now on to our second topic. We're going to talk about Brain Unglis. If I said that right, don't crucify me, please. Kind of see that he goes to fight Lakyus in front of him as an enemy to get to the Sorcerer King, but it's mentioned specifically in the book that he's angered seeing Lakyus walking down the street and trampling the memories of that him and Gazif and Climb had. And so he kind of decides that he's just going to fight him to the death. You know, he's kind of just wandering around aimlessly in the capital. He doesn't really know what he's doing, as you can tell from the episode. But he's going out in a warrior's death, and that's all he knows how to do. Also, it's just a little side fact of the fight. The actual little sentries following Lakyus around are called the Frost Virgins, and they're just the sentries of his lore. And so, you know, that's just a little bit of information to add on to there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. They really are kind of getting all the information out in these episodes, which, I mean, the show's doing really good. It doesn't leave me much to talk about, but I enjoy to see the show explaining it to everyone and everyone to actually enjoy the show and understand as much as me about it. So if you like this video, please drop a like, please subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you guys next week with another video. I don't know if there'll be as much in it either, but yeah, bye.